Friends, hello everyone. We are installing a pool enclosure by Aluabre cellular polycarbonate, model Classic. So you're on the Alpha Pool channel. This channel is about pools and everything related to them. My name is Roman. I've been building pools for 20 years and sharing my experience in my videos. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you. We have a fiberglass pool like this. It is the Atlantida 6 model. Today we are installing an enclosure over this pool. We start with the layout. The rails have been marked. Now we will attach them to the base and show you. Secure the rails. For now, only these. And we are going to remove these ones now, because they have these stoppers. These stoppers prevent the installation of the pool enclosure sections onto the rails. Sections have been placed on the rails. We are removing the protective film. Installation work continues. We still need to secure the rails, install the end caps, and the spacer bars. We have removed the protective film from the top and are now installing the handles. After using the screwdriver, we tighten the screws by hand. This process is repeated for all 4 handles on the pool enclosure. Friends, the installation of the pool enclosure is complete. It looks fantastic. Now we'll show you how it moves. Here it fully folds and reveals the pool. And just like that, the pool enclosure easily and quickly unfolds, covering the pool, protecting it from debris, and retaining heat. The view is great. Aluabre creates excellent pool covers, and we do a fantastic job installing them. Friends, thank you for watching this video until the end. I wish you good luck and warmth in your home. Subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Until next time.